Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the C Unraveled series. I apologize that yeah, the previous week I didn't upload any video for this series because of a busy schedule, but I'll try my best to bring some time together for this series also and complete it as soon as possible. So let's begin with today's topic, which is string. I'll give you the introduction, etc., side by side while writing the code. So if you have some experience in programming, you would have heard of string. And in C, as it is quite a primitive language to all the other ones in use like Java, Python, etc. So string is used in all languages, at least almost all languages. But the thing is, in C, as it is quite old, so it has a different way of using strings. Like in Java, you can simply write string, and that is a data type. Here, that is not the case. So, here it is, here string is used in the same way as in all other languages, but here it is defined as an array. So if its definition is seen as per the C language, it is known as character array, which means it only stores characters and is mostly used to store words, as here char cannot save more than one alphabet. As we know that even if we write an entire word, it will only take the first alphabet or it may give an error. So the simple way to define it is char, and we can write any name such as I would give str, then square brackets is equal to, and it can be given value in different ways. First way is this. I'll simply write string. This is the first way, or you can also give it in this way. I'll just copy and paste to show you. Paste. You can simply give it without these curly braces, or you can also give it in this way. Although this is too complex, so we wouldn't even consider it. So these are the two main ones in which you can give. Mostly people write like this only because it's an obvious thing, like who wants to add curly braces to make it any complex. So I'll do one thing. I'll name it string1 here. Like, because I would also show you the functions. Like, strings have their own different library additionally to this one. As you can see here, we have only one header file or library that we have to import in all programs. But to use functions of the string, you have to import another library, which is include string.h. And I'll soon show you how it is used. Let me first show you how to print strings. Although under the most, you can say, efficient environment, you wouldn't be seeing printf and scanf for strings because they have further functions known as gets function and puts function. Gets is obviously the alternative of scanf, and puts is for printf. And I would be talking about in a later video, not today, because that would make the video too long for you to understand. Also, it has a type identifier %s. So let's now put str and let's concatenate it here only. As you can see, we can't like this. The reason is because it is obviously character. But there is a specific function for this purpose, which I'll soon show you. First, let me show you that both of them can be printed. And then comma str1. Okay, so let's save it. And let's open the terminal. So we'll write gcc string.c /a.exe. As you can see, it is writing hello and then it is writing world. Now there are multiple, and I really mean multiple functions that can be used for strings. To name some, there is this strlwr, which makes it lowercase, strupr, which makes it uppercase, then strrev. It reverses the word, such as if we take hello in consideration, it will write OLLEH. Then we have strcat, which is the concatenate function, which I'll show you first because it is of quite much use. Then we have strlen, which tells us the length of the value inside the string. And we have strcpy, which is used to copy value of one string to another one. I'll show you uses of most of them. If possible, all of them in this video, or it would be in the next video. Next comes strcmp, which is used to compare two strings. So let's begin with string cat. So here we would be using str. As you can see here, it has already written string cat. String cat, and now I'll write str comma str1. And if now I write the same statement of printf here, let's copy it. As C language is seen by the compiler in a step-by-step way, so it will first print the actual value of str, then actual value of str1, then it will print the new value of str, which is going to be str plus str1. Again gcc. As you can see here, hello world has been written as they have been added together now. So this is one way. You can also write it simply like this. str, like I'd simply copy paste it from here. Cut it. It works like this also. I'll just do this gcc and you can see it gives us the same answer. So these functions can be used inside the statements also. Also, I'll just copy this to show you further statements. So let's copy, paste. Now I'll show you the lowercase. We don't need to do this. As we have given the value, like both the values to str, so it will lowercase the hello world completely. And now I'll again take this and now I'll use the uppercase on it. So UPR. Let's save it. And now again you'll see how it works. As you can see, first it wrote hello, which was the value of first string, world, which was the value of second string we declared. Then it added both of them, then lowercase, and then uppercase. Now you can also do this thing. Like I'll just do this. Now I'll change its type specifier to int, as %d is for int. Now I'll give length, save, and let's do it again. As you can see, it is showing 12. So if we count, these are 5 alphabets, then the space, so 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, these are 12 alphabets by themselves, and it has written 12. So it is obviously correct. Also, strings have a property that they always have one reserved space, which is known as the null character, which simply signifies space, nothing else. As here we had a space in between, so it was rectified, as it would have been shown as +1. Also, we can compare or copy, like if now I go for, suppose, let's paste it once again. Now I'll copy the value of str to str1. But am I doing it right? Let's see once. Either it will write world exclamation mark or it will write hello world completely. Let's see. Things have been a little bit rusty for me. As you can see, it copied the second value. So if you want to write hello world there again, so you could simply do this. I was a little bit confused and nothing else. Wait, I didn't even save it there. Let's save it. As you can see, now it is writing hello world. You would be wondering why uppercase? Because of this function. We pass the value from this function, so it will be now like this forever, almost forever. And as we have also copied the value, so let's compare it this time. So print, just do this. So compare is CMP. Now let's compare these. It will give us value as 1 and 0, but let's see. Okay. I had to write D here. My bad. As you can see, 1 means true. As both of them have the same value right now, so it will obviously be true. There are also multiple further things inside compare and copy, which are, I'll just write it in the comments for now. It has, I would call it a variant, so n variant. And its purpose is to only check or copy till a specific numbered element. So if suppose I wrote here in the copy NCMPY and gave a number 5 inside, then it would have only copied hello, nothing else. And the other variant is I. So I'll call it I variant. It is only used in compare and it makes it ignore case. As if suppose we didn't use the uppercase on str and just copied it to str1 and then use the uppercase. It will also compare the case and it will completely check all the values, length, etc. under normal circumstances. In that case, it wouldn't have given the value 1, which means true, so it would obviously be false. But if I would have put CMPI, it would have made it ignore the case, as all the alphabets and words and length are same. So it would have given 1 at that time because the case was ignored. Else it would have given 0, which is false. I know this is a lot of information for you, but I would suggest you to keep practicing. Although these things are mostly used in like advanced programs, not in small programs, but you can still practice them on your own level. Like just get with an idea and start creating it without even much thinking. Because if you start thinking, then it would most probably end up not even starting. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have learned from this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.